What do these chords have in common? The answer is they're all part of the same chordstellation. Yes, that is a word that I made up a few minutes ago. What's a chordstellation? A chordstellation is a constellation of chords that all share something in common. And what is that? It's the chord shape. It's the basic chord shape. So they're ergonomically or physically similar. And I think one of the best ways to learn and teach ukulele is to build on prior skills and knowledge. So let's do that. I'm going to show you all the chords in this particular chordstellation right now. And let's go to the overhead. You can do this along with me if you want. We're going to take A minor. We're going to start, I think, with the simplest chord, one finger chord, A minor, right? I'll try to keep it in focus for you. A minor, and then of course from there, it's one of our favorite one finger chords, we can go to F, placing, so A minor is number 2 string, top string, number 4 string, number 2 finger, number 4 string, 2nd fret. And now we're going to drop our number 1 finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, and play F. So now we have A minor and F. Now from here, it's very easy to drop the 3rd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and play D minor. Very similar. Now watch this, you guys. Whoop. We're going to slide the 3rd finger to the 3rd fret, 3rd string. And that is F7. F dominant 7. Now, we're going to take this entire shape and we're going to move it all down 1 string. So now, I've got 1st finger, 1st string, 1st fret, just like C7. I've got 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. That is G minor. So let's review. A minor, F, trying to keep it in focus, D minor, F7, and then a big shift down to G minor. All right, so what do you guys think? That's the chordstellation. There might be others that fit within, I'm going to say it again, that chordstellation. Leave them below if you think of one, or if you think of any other ideas that relate to this. I've got another chordstellation for you in another video, so make sure you watch that one. Hey, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you'd like to know more about this instrument, the Parapole Classic Ukulele by Enya, click the link below. You can find out more down there. I'm Kalani. This is Ukulele Club. Thanks for watching. Happy uking. I'll see you soon.